Sri Sai Ram. Hearty welcome to Sri Sathya Seva Gurukulam online classes. How are you all? Fine? Okay. Be happy and make others happy. Okay? Mathematics is a joyful subject. Do you agree? Yeah. Now we are continuing with the special products. Just as you have special coffee, special tea and special bus, we have got special products. Already we have seen so much of products. First one was a plus b whole square. Come on, anybody? You can tell the formula for a plus b whole square. A squared plus b squared plus 2ab. What is a minus b whole square? A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Check. I think you have made a list. If you have not done it, you do it. Okay. What is a plus b into a minus b? Very simple. A squared minus b squared. And x plus a into x plus b means what? X squared plus x into a plus b plus ab. And these are called factors of a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b square. They are called factors. And these are factors of a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b square. And this expansion also we have seen. A plus b whole cube means a cube plus 3ab into a plus b cube. A minus b whole cube, a cube minus 3ab into a minus b cube. And lastly, ax plus b into cx plus d, that is acx square. Then you have axd plus bcx plus bd. That is what you get. So all these we have studied in the previous classes. And also we have seen the application of that. Finding the squares. For example, if you want to find the square of 101 square, how to do it? 100 plus 1 whole square. Within 1 minute you can get the answer. Similarly, if you want to find 99 square, how do you do it? 100 minus 1 whole square. What is the formula used there? A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. That formula. Here it is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, cubes. Suppose you want to find out 18 cube. That is 20 minus 2 whole cube. That is, you have to use the formula a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus 3ab into a minus b cube. Similarly, if you want to find 21 cube, that is equal to 20 plus 1 whole cube. Like that, squares of numbers, cubes of numbers can be found out by using formula. That makes calculation becomes easy. Also we have seen factorization means splitting up into factors or making small factors of the form a squared minus b square. What are the factors of a squared minus b square? A squared minus b square is equal to, come on, what do you say? A plus b into a minus b. Suppose you have x squared minus y squared. What are the factors? X plus y into x minus y. Similarly, factors of a cube plus b cube is equal to this one. A cube plus b cube is this one. A plus b into a squared minus ab plus b square. And a cube minus b cube means what? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So they are called factors, and this process is called factorization. Okay, so these are the things we have studied already, and now we will come to home assignments. First one, simplify. So big it looks like, so complicated it looks like, but it is very simple. Say here one formula we know. So we know the factors of this. We know that. What do we know? See, it is a cube plus b cube formula. A cube plus b cube is equal to, come on, what are the factors? Write it as a plus b into a squared minus ab plus b square. Correct? So the numerator can be split up like this using this formula. So here what you get? What is a here? In this problem, a is equal to 674. What is b? B is equal to 326. So now apply the formula here. So 674 plus 326, that is a plus b. Numerator I am telling, into what? This 674 square minus 674 into 326 plus 326 square. A squared minus ab plus b square divided by same thing, 674 square minus 674 into 326 plus 326 square. So what do you find? These two are same. So you can cancel it. So this gets cancelled with this. So when you cancel this, what remains? So you can cancel this with this, and you get 674 plus 326, that is beautiful answer. 4 plus 6 is 10, 1 plus 2, 3 plus 3, 7 is 10, 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 6 is 10, 1000, beautiful answer. So this answer for this is 1000. Got it? It's a 3 marks question. Okay, now we will pass on to second question. Second question is 2x plus 5 whole cube minus 2x minus 5 whole cube. Now you can do in two methods. You will call it as let 2x plus 5 is equal to a and 2x minus 5 is equal to b. Then what do you get? A cube minus b cube. This is a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Are you following? Taking down? Okay. Now come on, substitute. What is a? 2x plus 5. What is b? Minus 2x, minus into minus plus 5, that is a minus b. So here 2x cancels, and what do you get inside? A squared. A squared is 2x plus 5 whole square. AB 2x plus 5 into 2x minus 5. You getting? So AB. Then lastly b square. What is b? 2x minus 5 whole square. So here you get 5 plus 5 is 10. First item is very simple. Coming to second item, a plus b whole square is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2ab. That is what you have studied already in the previous chapter. That is one thing. Secondly, you want a minus b whole square is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b square. That you have to use. So 5 plus 5 is 10 over. Here it is a plus b whole square. What is a? 2x. What is a square? 4x squared plus 2ab, 2 into 2x into 5 is 10x into 2, 20x plus b square 25 plus a plus b into a minus b formula, a squared minus b squared 5 square, that is 25. Lastly, a minus b whole square formula, a squared minus 2ab, that is 2 into 2, 4, 4 5s are 20x plus b squared. So now you cancel, what are the items cancels? This cancels with this, correct? Plus 25 minus 25 cancels. So now it is reduced to the small items. So you have 10 into 4x square plus 4x square plus 4x square, 8 plus 4, 12x square, and then what remains there? 25. So answer to be reduced to 120 x square plus 250. If you want, you can take 10 outside. That is the answer for this. Okay. So if you take 10 outside, you get 12x squared plus 25. That also you okay. You can take 10 outside, 12x squared plus 25. That is the simplest form. Noted? So this is the 3 marks question. We have to take 2x plus 5 as a, 2x minus b, that will be easy. Even otherwise also you can do, both mean the same. Okay. So that is the answer. Now we will pass on to next question. Topics for today. Factorization of polynomials. What are polynomials? Algebraic expressions having more than 3. Of course, we can use that term for 2 terms also, but 2 terms usually called as binomials. 3 terms called as trinomials. 1 term monomial. More than 3 polynomials. So here is a process of writing the polynomial as a product of 2 or more polynomials. For example, if you have a squared minus b squared, you can write it as a plus b into a minus b. That is the meaning. Each polynomial is called a factor. See, for example, if you have a square minus b square, that is a polynomial of 2 terms, and its factors will be a plus b into a minus b. Each of them is called as a factor. Right? And this process of splitting is called factorization. Okay? Very nice. Now we will see for examples. So x squared minus x y squared is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Here x plus y and x minus y are called the factors of x squared minus y square. Okay. For example, x squared minus 4x, you have to factorize. How to do it? take x common. How to get common? That is HCF of both of them. So that common you must take out. When you take out, x squared by x becomes x. 4x by x becomes 4. Here x and x minus 4 are called, these are called factors. These two are called factors. And this is the polynomial with the two expression, with two terms. One more example, 16a to the power of 4 minus 1 can be written as 4a square plus 1 into 4a square minus 1. And it is not complete because it can be again split up. 4a square minus 1 can be written as 2a plus 1 into 2a minus 1, that is simplest form. So factors of this are 4a square plus 1 into 2a plus 1 into 2a minus 1. Followed? So this is what is called as factorization of polynomials. It need not be only two terms, it may be more than that also. For example, one of the methods of doing it is by distributive property. Suppose you have 10m minus 25. What is common here? 5 you take it out. What remains inside? 5 2s are 10m, 5 5s are 25. So 5 and 2m minus 5 are the factors of 10m minus 25. Next one, a squared b cube plus a cube b square. What is common in this? Come on. What is common? So common is, see here, a squared and a cube are there. Lowest you must take, that is called HCF. A squared and a cube, lowest is a squared. B cube and b square, lowest is b square, into, come on, this by this, what remains? B remains. This by this, what remains? A, b plus a. Or you can write it as a plus b also equal to a squared b squared into a plus b. Here these are called factors. A squared, b squared, a plus b are called as factors of a squared b cube plus a cube b square. Come on, come to next problem. Here what shall we do? If you just observe closely, you find that there is some common here. What is that? Y minus z is common. So we will take y minus z outside. And what you get inside here? You get x also. Inside you get x into y minus z is taken already outside. So y minus z remains. Correct? Here y minus z is taken outside plus y. So these are called factors. You must try to keep it in as simple as possible. Suppose you multiply this, what do you get? Xy minus xz, and of course it is enough. So these are called factors of the given expression. Okay, so one more step you can do is xy here minus xz here plus y here. Here what is common? Y is common. Okay, that's also same. Don't worry. So these are called factors. You must express in terms of two products, A into B, like that you must write. So this is a third problem. Note it down. Okay, next problem. Factorization involving difference of two squares. Suppose you have, then the formula is a squared minus b square. Here a plus b and a minus b are the factors of a squared minus b square. Come on, what are the factors of x squared minus y square? Yes, x plus y into x minus y. What are the factors of p squared minus q square? P plus q into p minus q. What are the factors of a squared minus 1? Come on, a plus 1 into a minus 1. In this type you are working now. For example, here is a question. 16a square minus 25b square. And how do you get 16? 16, the factors of 16 is 4 and 4. So 4a square whole square. This is 5b whole square. Now you apply the formula. What is the formula? A squared minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So you have 4a square minus 5b square is equal to, come on, what you must write? What is a? 4a. What is b? 5b. 4a plus 5b, and then here 4a minus 5b. That are the factors. X to the power of 4 minus 2y minus z square. You can take it like this, as a also you can take. So there are two methods. 2y minus 3z is equal to a. That also you can take. Or you can directly do, nothing wrong. So you have x squared minus a squared is equal to x plus a into x minus a. Difference of two square type. So here x to the power of 4 minus 2y minus 3z square is equal to, is it clear? I noted whatever given. Here x, what is x? X squared is x to the power of 4. X becomes x square plus a. A means what? 2y minus 3z into x minus a. X squared minus a minus of 2y minus 3z. Correct? X minus a. Now come on, remove the bracket. This will be x squared plus 2y minus 3z. First one. Second one, x squared minus 2y plus 3z. That is second one. So that is answer. You cannot split it further, right? So these are some examples of the form a squared minus b square. Shall we go to next type? Noted? Factorization of a perfect square trinomial. What is trinomial? Trinomial is an expression having three terms. It may be of the form, say, x squared plus xy plus y square. This is a trinomial. Okay? Or it may be form of ax square plus bx plus c. That is also trinomial. All three terms. There must be plus and minus in between. Okay? Now here telling about perfect square. How many of you know square numbers from 1 to 25? Come on, 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16. 20 square 400. 25 square 625. Up to 25 you must perfectly learn it. Okay. So if you are not done it, you can do it today. So you have perfect square trinomial. One example is m squared plus 14m plus 49. Here you know that formula. If there is a plus in between, you have a squared plus 2ab plus b square. Correct? So formula is a plus b whole square is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b square. Here in this problem, a is m, b is 7, is it not? So this can be written as m squared plus 14m plus 49 is equal to, you can write like this, m squared plus 2 into m into 7 plus 7 square. Correct? Why you write like that? Just to bring it to the form of this. How do you know that splitting? You must know the first term, m squared. So m squared first term. Last term is 49. Square root of that 49 is 7. So 7 square. Why do you want that? Because it is an expansion of this. So what do you write now? A is m, b is 7, m plus 7 whole square. So factors are m plus 7 into m plus 7. So you can write the answer m squared plus 14m plus 49. The factors are m plus 7 into m plus 7. Or you can write m plus 7 whole square. Both are correct. Come on, try that. It is in the form of, so we know that a minus b whole square is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b square, that formula. Is it correct? So you must reduce into that form. So now you have 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to, come on, 4x squared is the square of which number? Yes, 2x. 2x whole square minus 2 into a into b plus b square, 1 square. Follow it carefully. 4x squared, when you remove the root of that, you get 2x, right? So it is nothing but, what is a? 2x. What is b? 1. And middle sign is minus. 2x minus 1 whole square. So if you want, try split it up again. You have, therefore, the factors of 4x square minus 4x plus 1 is 2x minus 1 into 2x minus 1. They are the factors. Okay. So nice. If you know the formula, these formulas you should know correctly, which I studied in the previous classes. Noted? Shall we move on to next problem? Yes, one more problem we'll see. Factorization of polynomial reducible to difference of two squares. Now this is a one step ahead. We have seen difference of two squares, and sometimes we must bring it to that form. For example, a to the power of 4 plus 4b to the power of 4, they are given. As it is, there is no formula for this. But you can make it into difference of two squares, because we know the formula for difference of two squares. What is that? A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. There is difference of two squares. Correct? So like that you have to bring it now. How to bring it? For that you have to add something, and same thing you have to subtract also. So adding and subtracting 2a square into 2b square. So you get this is a squared minus b squared formula. So a squared minus b square. What is the a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So this is a square plus 2b square plus 2ab, a square plus 2b square minus 2ab. That is the answer by using this formula. So what you have done it? The only special item is we added 4a square b square, we subtracted 4a square b square. Suppose you have 10 rupees in your pocket. Your friend adds 10 rupees and removes 10 rupees. How much remains in the end? 10 only, no? So adding and subtracting is done. Why is it done? Just to get in the form of a squared minus b squared. How to do it? That you have to see the formula. Because it is the expansion of a square plus b square formula, the 2ab term was added. 2ab term was added. Okay, and if once you add it, you have to subtract that also, because it is not given here. You are given only two items. Third item is added, same item is cancelled. And then we grouped such that we get a beautiful answer. Okay, shall I work out one more problem? So that is home assignment. We will give factorize ZD 10xy minus 15xz a square into b minus c plus b into c minus b 100 minus 25p square. Can you try? Okay, x to the power of 6 minus 8x cube plus 16 4a to the power of 4 plus 81b to the power of 4. Okay, these are the home assignment. Now let us see what Baba says. Bhagwan Baba says, keep your home and environment clean. Are your homes clean? Clean. Schools also, not only home. School and environment of the school, which must be clean. It will ensure health and happiness of you and also your society. So if your home is clean and surroundings also clean, all those who live in that home will be happy and healthy. Similarly, in a school, if your classroom and surroundings of the school are clean, all the students who are living there will be happy and healthy. So we will try for the homework. Okay, thank you.